Hi everyone, today we are cooking a tasty, rich and colorful tomato stew. It is easy to make, full of flavor, fresh flavor and perfect for any meal. Get ready, let's jump in and start cooking this amazing tomato stew. In a clean, dry pot, I'm going to start by adding some vegetable oil.
Tomato sweet and pepper right.
Cook on a medium heat, allow the oil to heat up. Once that is done heating up, go in with your salt.
But she dey smile with gentle.
Add ginger and garlic paste. Give it a nice stir.
Oh, make you high. E no fake, na real love true.
Now add in your chopped onions and fry for about 2 minutes, okay? If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. Guys, subscription is free of charge. It doesn't cost you anything. Please subscribe. To my wonderful returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you. So over here, guys, I added my chopped fresh tomatoes. Okay, remember to cook on a medium heat. Okay, keep an eye on it so it doesn't get burnt. Okay, stir and cook until it reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top of the sauce.
Na real love true. She dey pour am just for you. MIRA'S kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste am, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Some minutes later, I check on the sauce. Yeah. So over here, I added my roughly blended red bell pepper. Okay, this is totally optional. Give it a nice stir until it is well combined and continue cooking. Okay, until it reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top of the sauce. Okay, so at this point, you can, if you feel like adding more oil, it's left for you. Okay, for me, no, we're not going to be adding oil for now. Okay, so I'm going to keep cooking and not buy. Voila! That is the outcome of frying the fresh tomatoes. Okay, now it's time to season it up. Yeah, I'm a lover of crayfish, of course, so be generous this time. So I went in with my blended crayfish. Go in with my curry powder, some seasoning cubes, fresh pepper, add to your taste.
You go taste them, you go understand.
Mix to combine.
Fire low, but the hot day hot. Tomato sweet and pepper.
Go in with your protein of choice. Yeah. So here, assorted meat. Una, what's that go? Give it a nice stir until it is well combined. Okay.
MIRA'S kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. E no fake, na real love true. She dey pour.
I went in with some cooked mackerel fish. Stir gently.
For your chest, you go no say you dey home with me.
Add some water or meat stock depending on the quantity or consistency that you love your stew. If you are the type that love thick stew, watering stew, it all depends. Okay, so I added and give it a nice stir. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. Okay, once done, cover the pot and allow to boil to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes.
As they go, she dey dance and you go know. Say this food where you dey chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh, MIRA'S kitchen, joy they fly. Every bite go make you high. In no fake, na real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. MIRA'S kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go.
Some minutes later, let's check on the stew. Oh my goodness, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you cannot resist it. You cannot resist it. Turn off the cooker and it is ready. Serve and enjoy in whichever way you prefer. You can enjoy this delicious stew with rice, spaghetti, beans, yam, or in whichever way you prefer. Hope you enjoy this wonderful, amazing, delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in our next cooking videos. And remember, bye.